Hey guys, what's going on? It's Jacob down at Orlando Harley. We're here to talk with you guys about Stinger trailers today.
I'd like to customize my Stinger trailer. Is that possible, or do I need to do it myself?
My personal favorite aspect of Stinger trailers and having them here at Orlando Harley Davidson is going to be the wide range of variety from customization and fitment to fit you and your individual needs. From fabrication to different color models, the customization for these trailers is going to be endless. So literally any options you need, any special orders you need, Stinger trailers is going to have something for you.
Do Stinger trailers have to be registered like a regular trailer?
So when you're calculating your costs and seeing how much a new Stinger trailer is going to be to you, just remember at the end of the day, these are trailers and they will have to be registered. So when you are looking at pricing options for these trailers, just keep that in mind so that you can stay within your budget.
What kind of motorcycles can I tow with my Stinger trailer?
So Stinger trailers are going to offer different types of hauling for any of our motorcycles, from Sportsters to trikes and everything in between. You can load dual touring bikes, you can load dual softails, you can do one at a time if you'd like. There's really endless options.
Depending on which model I purchase, how much weight is going to be on the tongue of the trailer?
Stinger trailer's tongue weight doesn't exceed 150 pounds, but that's going to vary from model to model. So depending on what model you choose, you could either be at or maybe a little bit under the 150 pound mark.
Is it possible to tow a single motorcycle on my Stinger Twin Cruiser, double motorcycle trailer?
So one bike can be towed on a twin trailer. That being said, if you're going to be going back and forth and trailing 1 to 2 bikes, we do suggest to get the triple. You can have that middle slot to be able to have a balance point for if you were just towing one motorcycle.
When my Stinger trailer is in its folded position, how much space does it take up?
So some things that I really like about these trailers that I've been seeing other people are feeling the same way is the ease of access and the foldability of these, that when you're done using them, you can put them away. Minimal space it's going to take up in your garage, so where you can still be able to park your car, bikes, whatever you need to in there, and it can just be put to the side, easily adjusted to be able to pull it back out without having to move everything out of your garage at the same time. I was shocked at how little space that you actually need to put these things away and stow them for when you're not using them. Depending on what model you bought, when folded, these trailers are going to range anywhere from 42 to 60 inches tall.
When I plan to tow my Stinger trailer, what height should I have the hitch set to ensure I am towing as safe as possible?
So we get a lot of questions with people of all different sizes of vehicles wondering on what the correct hitch height for their trailer needs to be. From the pavement to the top of the ball, the standard hitch height on these trailers is going to be anywhere from 21.5 to 22.5 inches.
What kind of electrical hookup should I have for a Stinger trailer?
I know that there's a ton of options for trailer connections. So with Stinger trailers, the pin connections are going to come with the standard 4-point. That being said, there are adapters that will allow you to have a 7-pin connection as well.
On average, how much does a Stinger trailer typically weigh?
The weight of the Stinger trailers are going to vary depending on which model you choose, and they're going to range anywhere from 340 to 550 pounds. So from my experience, moving the smaller trailers and being able to collapse and uncollapse them, they're definitely easier for one person when they're smaller. For the largest trailers, I would definitely suggest having 1 to 2 people help you out. It can be done with less, but just on the safe side.
Where can I buy a Stinger trailer?
So right now in stock, we've been selling these trailers day in and day out. We do have a trike trailer available, and we do have a solo as well. The solo trailer is nice for somebody like me who, if I don't know what bike I'm going to have from 6 months from now. When I started on the Sportster and the next thing I want is a full dresser, having that one trailer will be able to support any bike that I have at the time. If you're looking to purchase a Stinger trailer, come on down here to Orlando Harley Davidson or go to stingertrailers.com.